Hello everyone, this is Carson Cloud. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to install and configure Windows Admin Center. So now let's get started. I'm going to just type in aka.ms / Windows Admin Center. This will take me to the Windows Admin Center and download link. Click on Windows Admin Center, download. So Windows Admin Center is lightweight installation. It's only 60 megabytes. It's a very simple install with no extra costs. It's come with the Windows license with Windows configuration and license maintenance. With this client, you can install on Windows servers on 2012, 2016, and 2019. Also, you can install on Windows 10 as well. There is no agent required. If you're going to install on Windows Server 2012, you're going to need to install the WMF 5.1. So now click on continue here. Even though it says evaluations, start your evaluations, it's not really evaluation. It comes with the Windows Server license. I'm going to click on continue and enter my information. It's finished the download, and I'm going to click on install, run. Let me minimize the screen. Accepts license term. Click next. There's two options here. You can choose the use the Microsoft updates when I check for updates. It's recommended, or you don't want to check for updates. Just for testing, I'm going to choose the second options. Use a gateway server to enable access multiple admin center. I'm going to click next. Allow Windows Admin Center to modify this machine as a trusted host. That's fine. I'm going to click next. The the port is 6516. I'm going to click on install. All right, look like it's finished. Oh, this is the second one. Cancel this out. Here it is. So to access it, you're just going to your browser and type in localhost 6516 and hit enter. The the server itself got added automatically, and you can click on add if you want to add any other servers, cluster, even Windows 10 devices. Let's see if I want to add a Windows server. Let's look for SCCM. Oh, not SCCM. Domain controller. Let's search in Active Directory. Carson DC, search. Here's the server. Click on Add. And if I want to add Windows 10 devices, I can just click here, add Windows 10 or Windows cluster or server cluster, even Azure VM. I can add or create a new one. So that's it. That's the Windows Admin Center installation and configuration. Thank you for watching and have a great day.